Frustrated with the Common Files module DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. While preparing the manual steps for Common Files module, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Common Files module, a generic naming convention used by several game engines and localized repacks to house shared logic between the launcher and the game executable. Missing this file prevents the game from resolving its primary execution manifest, resulting in a silent crash to desktop CTD at startup. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since Common Files module DLL is an application-specific dependency for localized application common resources, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Common Files module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type LODC_R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A quick safety warning: never download files like Common Files module DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Common Files module synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Common Files module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.